And I'm Violet, and our family owns a farm in Orleans, Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Happy Easter. Today we're in a succulents greenhouse / the geranium greenhouse, and we are going to be showing you how to plant succulents. Succulents are annual plants for our zone, and you can bring them in for winter, bring them into your house, and they'll still thrive. The watering process for these is water every 2 weeks. And when you do water them, you want to make sure they're really that has a lot of water, really drenched, and then let them dry out over that portion of 2 weeks. And because they can be brought in for the winter, they would technically be called a tropical plant.
So here at the farm we have lots of different
Types of planters we can use to plant our succulents in.
This one's a fish, this one's a little bit bigger, and we have also
bigger versions of these in different colors.
We have mice and little foxes, or whatever you want to call it. And then you plant in the top and it looks very nice.
We also have circular ones with just some little patterns. We also have just plain circular ones, but really it depends on what you choose for planting your succulents. So Maeve, how do you plant a succulent?
You're going to want to choose what you're going to use. I'm going to use this fish. And you can want to choose lots of different colors and textures. And you're just going to want to put it into the soil. And you want to make sure you're using good soil so the plants grow better. You can choose lots of different plants. I chose this kind of spiky one. It's a little tippy. And I'm going to choose this little green one. I think is kind of cute. And I have a little bit room for one more in there. So I'm going to choose this one.
Pretty.
They're so pretty when they look very pretty, and you don't have to plant them, but if you want to, you can. But in the course of these weeks, we will have them most of the arrangements finished.
So here I am planting mine. I'm just seeing maybe what plants will go good with mine. See, when you're planting succulents, you want to have a balance of tall plants, of plants that grow over the edge, of shorter plants as well, and something that covers. So when you're picking succulents for your collection, you can just bring one up and look. Maybe see, I don't really want this one anymore now that I've seen it, how it'll look with the rest. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to go back to the phone and put back, and then I'm going to look for one that I think will go a bit better with my arrangement I've got so far, and then I'll just plop it into that spot where I was going to put the other one, and yeah.
You just keep doing that.
Yeah.
So we have so many different varieties. There's ones like this that are more little bit pokier. There's ones that are smooth. There are lots of different ones that cover. This is one of my personal favorites because it's so pokey. I just think it looks very cool. And there's ones that look a little bit leafy and a little bit pokey. And then we also have some these little tiny cactuses, which are really cute. They're not that pokey, so they're pretty good.
And something to remember when you're planting succulents is to make sure they have enough space. Because when you're planting, of course, over the weeks that you water them and you have them in your home or outside, they're going to grow. So you want to make sure they're not too crammed and that their roots have enough room to breathe. And so that's all for today's video, guys.
Hope you liked it.
Make sure to subscribe if you want more content like this. And see you later. We're going to do some more succulent planting. Bye.
Bye.